So it was a real collaboration between the manufacturer and the designer, and that's how we started the product. We're accessible. You can visit our workshop and really talk through your project. It's something we're passionate about.
The main resource in our current manufacturing facility, we have a huge amount of offcuts, and that drove our concept and design in terms of size as well. Every piece of timber that's in there is unique, and every tile will be unique because of that, and that's part of the beauty of solid timber, which you will never get with manufactured board.
We steered right away from even considering working with veneers or manufactured boards, ply, anything like that.
One thing we were surprised about when we got the designs back from the designers was the endless possibilities that you could make from one tile.
These days everyone wants to have that option, to have the option of in a couple of years, they want a different look, they want to freshen it up. Using the same panels, just take them off, rearrange them in a different design, have a completely different look.
So it's important for us to, in the design, have the installation of it easy for people to do without having to get specialist installers. And once you've got the foundation down for the panels in the backing boards, the panels themselves can be put up by anybody with any skill level. You can take them off and reassemble them in less than 20 minutes. End users will come up with more patterns that we haven't even thought of. And that's the beauty of this, there are endless patterns.